Students, can guess the answer? What is mean by reproduction? Yes, see the slide. The proper definition is the process of producing individuals of the same kind. Okay, individual means small animals, same kind means same species, same species of animals. Okay, for example, elephant is the one of the group, cow is the one of the group, goat is the one of the group, birds are also one of the group. So, same kind means group of species. Individual means baby animal. Okay. So what is mean by baby animal? The baby of a living being is called an offspring. Offspring means students. Today our aim of the class learning outcomes describe the importance of reproduction in animals and how offspring resemble parents. Okay. Today our aim of the class. Okay. Next slide. Today our aim of the class is importance of reproduction. Students, reproduction is the one of the main part of the life cycle. Okay, reproduction is the one main part of the life cycle. So, what is meant by life cycle, ma'am? Can you guess the answer? What is meant by life cycle? So, life cycle means the perfect answer is the series of changes in an organism. So what is meant by life cycle? The series of changes in an organisms. Okay. So life cycle, the word meaning in Tamil, வாழ்க்கை சுழற்சி. வாழ்க்கை சுழற்சி. The life cycle means from the baby stage and to the adult stage of the any living organisms is called a life cycle. The series of changes in an organism is called life cycle. Okay. So let me see the next topic is students, what is reproduction? The process of producing individuals of the same kind. Okay, and what is offspring? The baby of a living being is called an offspring. Offspring means baby animal. Okay, offspring means baby animal. Offspring is a main word. So keep it in your mind. See the next one. Life cycle. So life cycle means the reproduction is the one main part of the life cycle of human beings. Life cycle means the series of changes in an organisms. Okay. So see the slide, ma. See the slide. What's in the picture? Yes, giraffe animal. Okay. So giraffe animal. One is the giraffe animal is a parent animal and another one is a baby animal. Okay. So giraffe animal is a very tall animal. You know that already. Giraffe is a very tall animal. Okay. So what are the similarities between parent and the offspring? Similarities parents and offspring. So the baby animal comes out from the parent animal. Yes, the baby animal comes out from the parent animal. It's a nature. Okay. So what is the similarities between parent animal and then baby animal? See the slide. So the baby animal, the tall giraffe animal, it spread the legs and then to drink the water. So the baby animal is a very small animal compared to this. The parent and the baby animal same like this the habit. The tall animal or short animal, both the parent animal and the baby animal, it can spread its legs and to drink the water. Yes. So that one is the similarities. Then next one, see that is a swan. What is in the picture? It is a swan. Swan means annapurna. Okay. So the small offspring compared to the baby animal and then parent animal, ma'am. Yes, the swan is a white in color and then small offspring swan is a ash color. Okay. So, but the what is the similarities between similarities means ஒருங்கிணைந்த பண்புகள். Okay, similarities mean ஒற்றுமை பண்புகள். The small swan have beaks and feathers like the parent animal. Yes, but it is also paddling. Paddling means swimming. Paddling in water. Compared to the parent animal and the baby animal, both of the paddling in water. Yes, there are the similarities between parent animal and the baby animal. Okay, shall we do the next topic? Let me see about students. Okay, how does an offspring come into this world? Understand my question? How does an offspring come into this world, ma'am? Offspring every word la come out ஆகுது. There are two main ways. Okay, there are two main ways. First one is giving birth to young ones. Giving birth to young ones. What is the second way? Lay eggs. What is the second way? Lay eggs. The two main ways of the living beings come out from the world. Okay. First one giving birth to young ones, and then second ways is lay eggs. Second ways is lay eggs. Okay. Then let me see the next topic. Human life cycle. Some of the human life cycle seen in today's class. Life cycle of a human being. Human being. Life cycle of a human being. And second one is life cycle of an elephant. Have you seen an elephant? Yes, this is a very big animal. Yes. Okay. Third one, we will able to learn life cycle of a penguin. Okay, there are three life cycles are seen in today's class, ma'am. Okay, and we will learn human life cycle. The first one is human life cycle. See the slide? Human life cycle. Okay. So, what is the first stage of human life cycle? Students, see the slide and give me the answer. Yes, fertilized egg is the first stage of human life cycle. Yes, first one is human life cycle. Second one is elephant life cycle. And then third one is hen life cycle. Okay. See the slide. First life cycle of a human being. Okay. The first stage of human life cycle is baby stage. First one is baby stage. Yes. And the second stage is child. What is the second stage? Child. Okay. Then what is the first stage? Fertilized egg. The another name of fertilized egg is fetus. means fertilized egg. Fertilized egg means karugurudal. Okay. So the first stage is fetus. What is the second stage? See the slide. Baby stage. And then third one is child stage. Fourth one is adolescent stage. The fourth one is adolescent stage. And then fifth one is adult. There are 5 stages in the life cycle of human being. How many stages are life cycle in the human being? There are 5 stages in the life cycle of a human being. First one fetus, second one baby stage, third one child, fourth one adolescent, and fifth one is adult stage. Okay, so the baby is formed inside of the mother's tummy. Okay, the baby is formed. First stage is fetus stage, FOETUS. Okay. The baby is formed inside her mother's tummy for 9 months. Okay, for how many months? 9 months. Okay, after 9 months, the baby is birth to this world. Okay, after 9 months, a small baby coming out of this mother's tummy. Okay, what is the at the baby stage, a small baby cannot walk or talk. Okay, it is fully depend upon the mother's production. Okay, what is the second stage? Baby stage. The baby cannot walk or run or anything without help of the mother. So it is fully depends upon the parents. Okay. The third stage is child stage. Okay. So what is the third stage? Students, in which stage are you in this life cycle? In which stage are you in this life cycle? Yes, you are a third standard student. So you are having a child stage. Yes. Okay. So third stage is a child stage. Child stage, in this stage, the child thinks on their own mom. Okay, in this third stage, the child thinks on her own. What is the fourth stage? Fourth one is adolescent stage. Adolescent stage age between 12 to 18 years. The adolescent stage between 12 to 18 years are called adolescent stages. Okay. Fifth one, adult stage. Fifth one, adult stage. Adults in this stage, a human being body is fully developed into adolescent to fully changed or developed into adolescent stage to adult stage. Okay, the last stage is adult stage or old stage. Okay, after that, the last stage is adult stage. After few years, the adult is ready to start again the life cycle again. Okay, so there are 5 stages in the life cycle of human beings: fetus, baby stage, child, adolescent, and adult stage. Okay, can you clear? Students, are you clear? Okay, next one. Students, next stage is human life cycle is over. What is the next stage? Okay, life cycle of, we will learn about life cycle of an life cycle of an elephant. Life cycle of an elephant. Have you seen the elephant, ma? Yes, it is a very big animal and then black in color. Okay, yes. Students, next we will learn about elephant life cycle. See the slide? The picture is an elephant life cycle. Okay. How many stages are there in the elephant life cycle? Only 3 stages. How many stages? Only Three stages, ma. First one, baby stage. What is the first stage? Baby stage. Baby elephant. Okay. A baby elephant also formed in inside of the mother's tummy. Okay. So how many months human beings are fertilized? The baby is formed in human being in only for 9 months. But the elephant, a small elephant, a baby elephant is formed inside of the mother tummy for 22 months. How many months? 22 months. Okay. And then second stage of the elephant is an adolescent stage. Same like the second stage is adolescent stage. Third stage is adult stage. Only three stages are seen in the picture. Okay, only how many stages are in the elephant life cycle? Only three stages. Okay, what is the first stage? Baby stage. Second stage adolescent stage, and third one is adult stage. Okay, so a baby is formed in mother's tummy for 22 months. Okay, so after 22 months, a small baby elephant coming out of this world, and then a baby elephant fully depend upon the mother elephant for food, safety, anything. Okay, and then for example, 3 to 5 years, 3 to 5 months. Okay, 3 to 5 months fully depend upon the mother elephant for food. What is the second stage, ma'am? Second stage is adolescent stage. Second stage is adolescent stage means the male elephant, a young male elephant go away from the herd. Herd means Kulukan group. Okay, here. A young elephant go away from the main here in this stage or which stage? Adolescent stage. What is the third stage? Third stage is an adult stage. A big elephant is developed, fully body is developed from adolescent stage into adult stage. Okay, the last stage is the adult stage of the elephant. A big elephant are coming from the adolescent stage. Okay, there are three stages in the elephant life cycle. Okay, so next one is hen life cycle. What is the we will learn about next? Hen life cycle. See that slide? In this picture is a hen life cycle. Life cycle of a hen. How many stages are you seeing there? How many stages? Only 4 stages. How many stages? 4 stages. Students, first one, human life cycle. How many stages are there in human life cycle? 5 stages, ma'am. Okay. Then second one, life cycle of an elephant, only 3 stages. And life cycle of elephant is 4 stages. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of a hen. Life cycle of a hen. First, what is the first stage? See the slide. Same like this. First one is a human life cycle is X stage. Same like this. First one is a X stage. And then what is the second stage, ma'am? Second stage is a hatching the egg. What is the second stage? Hatching the egg. And then third stage is chick stage. Third one is chick. Fourth one is adult stage. Same like this. Fourth one is adult stage. There are only four stages in the life cycle of hen. Okay. The first stage is egg stage. Okay. So egg stage. Compared to the human life cycle and elephant life cycle, no egg stage is present in human or elephant. Why? Because humans and elephants are called mammals. Humans are elephant. What are the ways of to give birth to young one? Yes, it is giving birth to young one only. Okay, not laying any eggs in human and elephant. Only hen is laying eggs. Okay, compared to the three life cycle, only egg stage is present in hen life cycle only. Okay, so first stage is the egg yolk. Yolk means what, ma? Y-O-L-K. What is mean by yolk? Yolk means karu muttai. The word meaning in Tamil, karu muttai. Okay. The first, the egg is formed inside of the hen. The yolk part only is formed first, then at last of the white layer. Okay. So first one is egg stage. After 21 days, hatching the eggs. What is the second stage? Hatching the egg is the second stage of the human hen life cycle. Hen life cycle. Okay, what is the second stage? Hatching the egg part. Okay, so the big adult hen sits on the eggs and keep warm. After 21 days, a small chick coming out from the egg part. Okay, that is what is the second stage. What is the third stage? Yes, third stage is the chick stage. A small chick is formed from the egg pod and coming out of this third stage. Okay, the third stage is the chick stage. It is looks like a very softer. Okay, compared to the adult hen, it looks very softer. Fourth one is adult stage. What is the fourth stage? That one is the adult stage. A small chick is changed or developed or grow up into the adult hen. The fourth stage. What is the fourth stage? Adult chicken is the fourth stage. Okay. Today class we are over the human life cycle, elephant life cycle, and hen life cycle. Yes. Okay, how many students, how many stages in human life cycle? Yes, there are 5 stages in human life cycle. And what is the second stages? What is the second life cycle? Elephant life cycle. How many stages in elephant life cycle? 3 stages only. Baby, adolescent, adult. Okay. Then third one, life cycle of a hen is a 4 stages. Ma, egg, hatching the egg, chick, and adult. Okay. Once again, recall today's class. We will learn about life cycle reproduction. What is reproduction and what is mean by life cycle, and then life cycle of a human being, elephant, and hen. Okay. There are 5 stages in human life cycle. There are 3 stages only in elephant life cycle, and there are only 4 stages in hen life cycle. Yes. Okay. Now the assessment part is worksheet number 1 in your worksheet bookmark. Okay. First worksheet, match the animals with their offspring. Okay, match the animals with their offspring. Look at the picture. Question number A is cat, B1 horse, C1 cow, and D1 penguin. Yes? Yes. The answer part is calf, sheep, foal, kitten. Okay. So, your assessment part. Okay, what is your first question? Students, what is your first question? First question is cat. Yes? What is your second question? What is your second question? See the slide. Yes, second question is, what is your second question? What is your second question, ma'am? What is your second question? Second one is horse. What is the second question, ma'am? Second question is horse. What is the third question? Third one is cow. What is the fourth one? Penguin. What is the fourth question? Penguin. Okay, students. First question: cat, horse, cow, penguin. You can identify the offspring of the parent animal. Okay, your question is parent animal. You give the answer in. You match it the answer in baby animal or offspring. Okay. So what is your answer? Think it. Okay. Cat, match it in. What is your answer? Very good. Kitten. What is the answer of cat? Kitten. Okay. What is the second one? Horse. Second question is horse. Your answer is what? What is your answer? Very good. Fold. What is your answer? Fold. Okay. The third question, cow. What is the answer? What is the answer, ma'am? Yes, cow. What is the answer? Cow. Fourth one, penguin. What is the answer, ma'am? Very good. Penguin is one of the bird. These three ones is the mammals, and that one is one of the also is a bird animal. It's a one species of bird, but it's a mammal. Penguin is a and so this is a sheep. This is one of the mammals. First three one is a mammal animals. So give birth to young ones. So cat answer kitten, horse answer foal, cow answer calf, penguin answer sheep. Okay. So let me see the next one. Look at the picture and write the way in which these animals give birth. Your answer already given. Giving birth to young one is the first answer or laying eggs is the second answer. So two options are already given, ma'am. So your first question cow, second question lizard, option C lion, fourth one duck. Okay. So first one is the cow is a mammal animal. Yes. Cow is a mammal animal. What is the answer? What is the answer of cow? First question. Yes, giving birth to young one. Very good. Next one, lizard, ma'am. Lizard. Lizard is one of the reptile animal. So, what is the answer? Very good. Excellent answer. Laying eggs is the correct answer. What is the C one? Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. Yes, it is a mammal animal. So, what is your answer? Very good. Giving birth to young one. What is the answer? Giving birth to young one. Okay. D question, duck. Duck is one of the bird. So, what is the way in which these animals give birth? So, duck is the laying eggs, the correct answer. Very good. Exactly correct answer. Laying eggs. So, cow answer giving birth to young one. Lizard answer laying eggs. Lion answer giving birth to young one. And duck answer laying eggs. Very good. So, students, thanks for your class. Okay, thank you, ma'am.